This is a tutorial for gift cards on the Clover Station. So as you can see here, this is the Clover Station. This is the main screen. If you go to gift cards app, you will actually be able to sell a gift card here. Select whether it's going to be plastic or digital. Let's say digital. Here you would put the amount. All right. Next, here you will enter a mobile number, for example. Right. At this point here, you would actually go about in either swiping the credit card, and the person is here. Select cash here, or if it's a mail order, if someone's going to pay over the phone, right, you come here. Okay. Once you do that, it prompts you to the credit card information. Okay. If you want to do the cash, you go here. Okay. So let's just say that we do a cash. Okay. Cash transaction. Pay cash. Okay. As you can see here, it shows that there's a gift card assigned. All right, for that amount. This is the actual voucher gift card. This number here, for example, is to redeem the actual gift card. You could print receipt for the person. Okay. And there it is. That's how you do it. That's how you do a digital gift card. Now we are going to talk about redeeming a gift card from the previous transaction I just showed you. So let's just say someone comes, they're ready to pay, you go to the register. Let's go to test mode here. Turn on test mode. All right, so now it's on test mode. Let's just say someone comes for a wine. They order this here, they order this there, this here, and they're just having a good old time. Okay. Actually, let me remove this here. Okay, so here, let's just say this is the amount. Okay, they're ready to pay. Okay. Then they want to do they want to use the gift card. No tip, right? So now here you would use the card number, right? The card number was actually sent on the receipt here for the purchase. So here we would enter that card number here. So you select there, brings that up. Okay, so now you have a card number there, and you select redeem. Spits out the receipt, what the balance due is on gift card now, and you will send the person a text or email, however you like to send it. Okay. Done. Okay. So according to this, it made the payment. Okay, we're on test mode, so it didn't actually go through. And this is the way the receipt will look.